Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
स्वातंत्र्य सेनानी लक्ष्मीदास कृष्ण बोरकाराच्या नांवान फोंड्या एका नव्या ऑडिटोरियमाचें उक्तावण जालें. ऑडिटोरियमाक ज्ञानदा अशें नांव दिलां. डॉक्टर संतोष उसगांवकर IMA फाउंडेशन चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्टाच्या अध्यक्षान ऑडिटोरियमा विशीं माहिती दिली.
This auditorium, Nyanda, which will significantly enhance our initiative aimed at promoting charity effort, especially in palliative care, cancer education, and various health educational programs. This auditorium will be first of its kind with a private venue to offer a state-of-art facility capable of hosting 150 participants for a palliative care and related educational program. Other thing, we are going to have the fellowship in palliative care, for which we have got Dr. Ame who is going to help us for getting this approval from the various boards and universities.
It seems to me that that intensity is much, much higher in Goa, and that actually is a signature of both sensitivities as well as desire to do something for the society of the people of Goa.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.